Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to bring back an app to your iPhone's home screen if it's been removed or hidden. Don't worry, it's super easy to get it back, and I'll show you two simple methods. Let's get started. So first of all, let's say you removed the app from your home screen. Now to bring it back, here's the first method. Go to your app library. Once you're there, look for the app you want to bring back. You can either scroll through the folders or use the search bar at the top. Once you find the app, tap and hold on the app icon and a small menu will appear. In that menu, you'll see an option that says Add to Home Screen. Tap that, and just like that, the app is now back on your home screen. Super simple. Now here's the second method in case you don't want to scroll through the app library. From your home screen, swipe down anywhere on the screen to bring up the search bar. Now type the name of the app that you're trying to find. Once it appears in the search results, just press and hold the app icon until a small menu pops up. Again, tap on Add to Home Screen and boom, the app will be placed right back on your home screen wherever there's space. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give it a like, hit that subscribe button for more quick tech tips, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or want tutorials on other iPhone features.